Hi, and welcome to another tutorial in Python for Beginner series. In case you haven't watched the last tutorial, please watch it and then continue watching. Alright, now let's jump in and get started. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use while loops in Python. We use a while loop to execute a block of code multiple times. So we write a while statement and a condition followed by a colon. So as long as this condition is true, the code we write in this block will be repeatedly executed. Now let's write our previous exercise using the while loop. So here we can define a variable a equals 1. So we set our condition to a less than or equal to 10. So as long as a is less than or equal to 10, we can print a on the terminal. And then we need to increment a by 1. So a equals a plus 1. We do this because if we don't increment a by 1, then the value of a will always remain 1 and a will always be less than 10. So this loop will be executed infinite times. So we increment a by 1. So at some point a will be 11 and we jump out of this loop. So to demonstrate how this works, so after the loop I am going to print loop is completed. Note that these two lines are indented, so they are the part of this while block. Now let's go ahead and run this program and see what happens. So we get the numbers 1 to 10 followed by loop is completed. So here is how this program gets executed. First we set a to 1. Now Python interpreter executes line 2. This line is true because a is less than 10. So a is printed on the terminal and incremented by 1. So the control moves back to the beginning of the while loop. So it doesn't execute the next statement. So we came back here. Now we are in the second iteration. In the second iteration, a is true as a is less than 10. So a will be printed on the terminal and once again it will be incremented by 1. At some point a is going to be 11 and this condition is going to be false. So our loop will be terminated and then this loop is completed will be printed on the terminal. Now let's make this program a little bit more interesting. So here we add a hash and then we multiply this by a. So print hash into a. Now let's run the program and see what we get. So we get a little triangle shape because in the first iteration a is 1. So in the first time a produces 1 hash. Then a is incremented to 2. So 2 times hash is 2 hash and so on. So that is it for this tutorial. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also leave a comment letting me know what more do you want to learn in this beginner series. And also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.